Beautiful day that God gave us today. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, beautiful people. And today we will cook another recipe. It's called egg fried rice with Filipino soy sauce. But before we continue our cooking, please don't forget to subscribe my channel right there and hit the notification bell right there too, so you will be notified every time I will post a new video. Before we continue our cooking, please come with me in our kitchen so I will show you my ingredients. So the ingredients of our egg fried rice is 1 egg, rice, garlic, Silver Swan soy sauce or Filipino soy sauce, minced onion, garlic powder, and spring onions for garnish. Now let's go to our frying pan in the stove. First that we will do is we will turn on our stove and we will wait when this pot will be heat. By the way, we will need a spray oil. Now we will wait when our wok or frying pan will be heated. Now it's hot, let's spray an oil. Alright, now we will wait when our oil will be heated too. Now it's time to crack our egg. Like that. And we will beat it. And stir it until it cooks. There you go. Keep stirring until it's cooked. Now it's cooked. At the side, we will put another spray oil, and then we will add our garlic. Like that. By the way, I wash my hand too. And we will cook our garlic. Just simply stir it. Smells good. And if you think that it's cooked, the garlic already, then mix it with the egg. Like that. Like that. Let's slow the heat. Now it's time for us to put our rice right there. And let's stir the rice. Keep stirring until everything will be mixed. And if you think that everything will be mixed already, then you can add the soy sauce. It's just 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Mix it well, like that. It's very easy and simple to do this. And it's time to add our powdered garlic. Just do like that. I can put as many as I want of the garlic, powdered garlic, because my husband don't eat this, so this is for me only. And the next one that we will put is our minced onions. Just spread a little bit and then mix it. It's very simple and easy to do this. It's quick too. So yeah. Now let's put it or move it in our serving plate. Now this is our serving plate. Let's move it here. It's really hard because I put this backward. So yeah. So done. And it's ready. My breakfast will be ready. It's ready. Now, our egg fried rice with Filipino soy sauce is ready. And it's time for us to sprinkle with spring onions. Right there. And also sesame seeds. Right? This is our sesame seeds. My favorite. Well, I will put it in my hands so it's easy for me to spread. And the only one will eat this, so yeah, there you have it. It's done. This is our egg fried rice with Filipino soy sauce. Let's test. Sarap! With sesame seeds. Alright, thank you all guys for watching and see you in my next video. Shout out to Rosa's channel OFW, Lynn Russell, Anna's Lifestyle. Bye! I love you all.